Are you looking to start your day with energy and positivity? A quick 5-minute morning workout can make all the difference in your mood, metabolism, and overall health. You don't need fancy equipment or a lot of time, just 5 minutes and a little space. Let's dive into this powerful morning workout routine you can easily follow. Exercise 1 is jumping jacks. This classic move is perfect for warming up the body, getting the blood flowing, and waking up the muscles. Do jumping jacks for 30 seconds. Try to keep a steady rhythm and breathe deeply to get the full benefit. This will raise your heart rate and get your whole body involved. Next up, we have high knees. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and bring each knee up towards your chest as you alternate. This exercise is great for boosting circulation and strengthening the legs. Aim to keep your knees as high as possible for the full 30 seconds. Now, let's target the upper body with push-ups. Start in a plank position with your hands under your shoulders and lower your body until your chest is just above the ground. Then, push back up. Push-ups are excellent for working your chest, shoulders, and triceps. If you're a beginner, you can modify by doing push-ups on your knees. Keep going for 30 seconds. Now, let's switch to squats, an amazing lower body workout. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and lower yourself as if you're sitting on an invisible chair. Keep your back straight and make sure your knees don't go past your toes. Squats are great for your glutes, quads, and core. Perform this for 30 seconds to feel the burn. Our last exercise is the plank. This move strengthens your core, shoulders, and lower back. Get into a plank position with your forearms on the ground and hold for 30 seconds. Try to keep your body in a straight line and breathe steadily. This will improve your balance and strengthen your entire core. And there you have it, 5 quick exercises that take just 5 minutes to kickstart your day. This routine boosts energy, increases circulation, and strengthens muscles without taking up much time. If you have a few extra minutes, try adding light stretching to cool down and prepare for the day. Thanks for joining this quick 5-minute morning workout. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss more easy fitness tips and routines. Here's to a healthier, more energized you.